Welcome to World Review Zone's and other videos.
Are you tired of paying hundreds of dollars for software subscriptions every month? In today's video, we're reviewing AppSumo, a platform where entrepreneurs, freelancers, and small businesses can get lifetime deals on powerful digital tools. But is it worth your money? Let's break it down. AppSumo is essentially a marketplace for software deals, where you can buy tools for marketing, productivity, design, and more, often with a one-time payment for lifetime access. Instead of paying recurring subscriptions, you own the tool forever, which can save you thousands of dollars a year. It's trusted by over 1 million entrepreneurs and is known for featuring exclusive early access deals on apps that often become mainstream later. Here are a few reasons people are flocking to AppSumo. Lifetime deals. No recurring costs. Most deals let you pay once and use the software forever. Perfect for startups and freelancers on a budget. Wide range of tools. You'll find deals on everything from AI tools and marketing automation to video editing, SEO, and e-commerce apps. Early access and hidden gems. Many tools debut here before they become popular. If you grab them early, you can lock in an insanely low price. Risk-free refund policy. AppSumo offers a 60-day money-back guarantee on most deals, so you can test tools without risk. Compared to subscribing to each tool separately, AppSumo can easily save you hundreds, if not thousands, annually. Of course, there are some things to consider. Huge cost savings with lifetime deals. Wide selection of business and productivity tools. Risk-free with a 60-day refund policy. Not every tool is a perfect fit. Some are early-stage startups. Deals are limited time, so you need to act fast. No guarantee that every tool will keep updating forever. Overall, the value often far outweighs the risks, especially if you research before buying. AppSumo is best for entrepreneurs, content creators, agencies, and small businesses who regularly need new tools but want to avoid subscription fatigue. If you're someone who prefers established, well-known brands only, it may not be for you, as many deals are from emerging software companies. If you're considering trying AppSumo, I recommend starting with their free account. Check the current deals, and grab ones that truly match your business needs. I've placed my affiliate link in the description, which also gives you access to any available discounts. If you want to stop overpaying for software and discover the next big tools before everyone else, AppSumo is worth a look. Thanks for watching World Review Zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which tool from AppSumo you want us to review next.